Okay, this one is for everyone who's ever thought about switching AI tools, but didn't want to lose months of conversations. I've got you. I am the data doctor, and today I'm showing you exactly how to leave ChatGPT without losing a single chat. Method 1. The official export. Sign in to ChatGPT, click your profile icon, go to Settings, then Data Controls, then Export Data. Hit Confirm, and then check your email. It's important to know that the link expires in 24 hours. Don't wait. When you download it, you'll get a zip file with two things inside: an HTML file you can open in any browser, and a JSON file with your complete raw data. Method 2. Super quick. Open any single chat, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac, and save it as a PDF. Perfect for grabbing one conversation in under a minute. Method 3. A browser extension. ChatGPT Exporter on Chrome lets you download chats as PDF, Markdown, or plain text. Just check the permissions before you install anything. You want tools that process your data locally, not ones that upload it somewhere else. Here are the doctor's orders. Export before you close your account. Store that file somewhere secure, because it may contain sensitive information. And remember, your data belongs to you, not the platform. Don't leave it behind. The doctor is in, and we've got a new topic every single day this week, so follow or subscribe so you don't miss out.